happening live in Ababa? First Bank and Access Bank. Okay, Google. Taking money from their ATM. Huh? Chimo. Guy, can you see the glass of Access Bank? You need now, Google. They want a car too. I hope you can see the car. Car! Nigeria, oh, Nigeria, Nigeria. Guy, where can I give you small money now? I beg you. Oh my God. Jeez. Guys are not really smiling at all. They are not just smiling. ATM, we're going to ATM at Brooklyn.
ATM First Bank.
ATM First Bank, Ababa. Oh my God. Huh?
All their money has finished.
God, can you just imagine? Nigeria, oh. Huh? Chimo, look at it, just trooping out from Access Bank. Only God knows what they did inside there.
Their money has finished now.
Ega, Google. Ega, Google. Can you see the ATM? They're bringing out all money inside there. This is in Ababa Enugu, Chisamabara. Huh? No one help us in this country. Guy, He got money. Some 200,000 naira. Like, look, small money, see money. The money when they do like this. Aye! Jesus. I'm telling you, I can make this boy. I can make this boy. Hey! So this one carry money too. You don't share your own. Hey! First Bank! I bet the First Bank gave me money. I bet in the First Bank. Look at this one. Jesus. More. Hey! Guy, Access Bank, First Bank. Come on. Now money don't finish. Mostly First Bank. I am in the First Bank. I do them. Good window. How could she shoot window? You gotta talk. You got that. Oh, yeah. Hey! Okay, all these guys, so. Guy, that can I talk where you go? How can I talk the money? Chimo! As in, motor harbor or cook and a cogo dim guy, motor mad. Jesus, smoke up and class. Oh, First Bank. First Bank. Access Bank up at motor. Oh! Motor Chineke. Open like I got the motor and can when Junior cruise. Hey, I got one year. Hey! This is a very great. You go to such kind of American so yeah. I can't go away. Go to map. Oh, more. Didn't use First Bank. I bet you know. Okay, good. Guy, you go to this guy up by now. You go to that by now. Photoshop more. Oh, more. How much you go? Just catch what you care. Goodbye, guys.